ash to ashes, dust to dust. Let tomorrow have its way with the promises we made. Skin the bone, steel the rust.
You can't stop it, all you can do is watch it while it's happening. Like a tragic accident, rappers go and get your coffin. Skin to bone, the Hiram a bit for this rap shit. My legacy set in stone for show, no asterisk, concept immaculate. Start to finish, I'm Lil Wayne's dentist. Look at the platinum plaques I'm getting. It's not an accident, you flew off the roof. You said you was fly, so I just wanna see if it's true. I got the juice like GQ, but I wish it was Grey Goose. Let it mix with my prescriptions and not turn into Keith Moon. The T2 Terminator, demigod Jesus, Fort Minor, we major. Let's take it to phase 2. The mission isn't finished yet. I've been on the internet, hearing fans talk, and maybe we should consider it.
Skin the bone and steel the road.
Yeah. I'm just letting them burn.